gonna fly? Yep.
Yep, that's the message right there in a nutshell. This little guy can find his will to survive, to keep pushing, despite having one leg. I mean, that's what life is. That's what it comes down to. And so if you can't walk, crawl, if you can't run, walk, and on down the line, we use what we got. We use what tools are available. And we don't give up. Just keep hammering away. And, chop wood, carry water. Keep putting in that work. And always remember, you're stronger than you think. Sweat don't lie. Simple. Peace and love. All right. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Drop something in the comments. Let me know about what you overcame today.